was the year your brother Judge Marlo published the Revised Penal Code version, no? What was happening in your career at that time?
What I remember is that he just resigned from the law office. So
Your law office.
kami,
Oo.
magkakapatid. Then siyempre prosecutor siya. That's the time na he decided kahit po. Ako ganun din, gusto ko rin magsulat naman. Pero wala na, parang I'm so preoccupied sa mga clients ko. Then siya, kami niya, kuya, gagawa ko ng libro. So that, parang meron naman tayong legacy mga company. Di ba? Kasi, di ba yung, wala ka naman, ano pa yung libro?
Oo,
Binabasa pa yan.
binabasa pa
You
yan.
become immortalized.
Uh-huh.
Sabi ko, sige, gawin mo yan at pag-igihan mo maigi. Kaya, okay naman. Ang dami na nagbabasa. Ang dami na sa law school, ang dami na nakakakilala. Sa kanya, sa amin, minsan na naglulukan pa. Sino ba masikat sa akin? Sino masikat sa akin? Sikat ako sa mga lawyer, sa lawyer. Ilan ang views mo? 7,000 views. Ako 2 million.
But you know, how did that achievement ng brother mo inspire you in a way as a practicing lawyer?
Well, I'm proud. Di ba? I mean, if I appear sa mga, the judge would ask me, how are you related to the company? How are you related to Judge Marlo? The book is good, we're reading it. Tapos yung mga bagong lawyer, most of them, nabasa to eh. It's either nabasa nila or they become students sa review class. And they are always telling me na, mga attorney, nabasa namin yung ibo niya, tapos pakinig kami sa lecture niya. Parang we feel it was a big instrument for us passing the bar. So, siyempre, proud pa rin ako. Ito si Kuya eh.
Proud kuya.